guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Knowledge Park. And today I have brought for you the knowledge of the tense in English. First of all, we will discuss regarding the tense, that is the past tense, present tense, and future tense. In English, there are three tense basically. Each tense has a four forms. So, present we will discuss regarding the past tense only. What is the past tense and what has the four forms of the past tense? Past tense has the four forms. In the same way, present tense also has the four forms and future tense also has the four forms. अक्सर अंग्रेजी में बात करते समय ये टोटल टोलर टेंस के अंदर बात की जाती है और ठीक उसी तरह फर्स्ट कंडीशनल क्लॉज, सेकंड कंडीशनल क्लॉज एंड थर्ड कंडीशनल क्लॉज में भी बात की जाती है. फिलहाल we see regarding the past tense only. Past tense has four forms. Number one is the simple past. Second one is the past continuous. Third one is the past perfect. And fourth one is past perfect continuous. You can take the example of any one of the languages. कौन से भी भाषा का एग्जाम्पल ले लो, उसके अंदर हर एक टेंस के चार प्रकार होते हैं. जैसे कि मराठी हो, हिंदी हो, इंग्लिश हो, तुल हो, तमिल हो, गुजराती हो, whatsoever the language is there. In those languages, if we talk regarding the tense, surely each tense has a four forms. There is no doubt at all. जैसे कि पत्थर के ऊपर के लकीर की तरह होता है. कैसे कि वह पास्ट टेंस के चार प्रकार है. कौन से चार प्रकार है? ये सिंपल पास्ट है, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस है, पास्ट परफेक्ट है, पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस है. तो सिंपल पास्ट जो है वो किस ढंग से सिंपल पास्ट में बात की जाती है, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस कौन से स्टाइल में पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में बात की जाती है, पास्ट परफेक्ट कौन से अंदाज में पास्ट परफेक्ट में बात की जाती है, और पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस कौन से स्टाइल में पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में बात की जाती है, उसके बारे में जानकारी लेंगे. वी विल जस्ट डिस्कस रिगार्डिंग द सिंपल पास्ट, इन विच फैशन we speak in simple past, also in past continuous, also in past perfect, and also in past perfect continuous. Now, in simple past, one has to do. In simple past, we have to take one of the pronouns or one of the subject. Either it is I, we, you, they, we, he, she, it. Then how to be used in simple past, that is very important. किस तरह से सादा वर्तमान, सादा भूतकाल के अंदर किस तरह से लिखा जाता है और किस तरह से जनरली इंग्लिश में बात की जाती है. Many people have many problems regarding speaking in English, but actually they feel that they are speaking in very fantastic way, but it is not so. Why it is not so? Generally many people used to make mistakes while speaking in English. Why do they do so? They feel that they are speaking in very correct manner, but actually it is not so. But first of all, we must understand what is simple past. Now, my guys, my dears, so please look at my just giving examples, and surely you will understand how to be spoken in the past tense as well as the four forms of the past tense. And after using, definitely you will also be speaking in the four tense, that is the simple past. Past tense has the four forms, that is the simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. आपका ज्यादा वक्त ना लेते हुए मैं आपको सिंपल पास्ट के एग्जांपल देता हूं. I am giving that example, the examples of simple past. So first of all, I am going to give the example of simple past, that is I have taken one I. I is the singular pronoun, and just we have to use the main verb into V2 form. V2 form, V1, V2, V3. For example, V1 come is there, V2 came is there, and V3 come is there. Come, came, come. Come, came, come. Go, went, gone. So go is V1, went is V2, and gone is V3. In the same way, so just I am giving the example of simple past. I came. So what is the example of simple past? This example of simple past is I came. So it is not camed. Why it is not camed? There are such type of the V1s are there or verbs are there which are not going to take ed whenever they use to write. How? For example, cut, 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 put, set, set, set. It is not going to be cutted, putted, setted. Okay. So this is very important in English whenever we use to write the examples of simple past. So I came, मैं आया. Now past continuous, past must be there and continuous must be there. To show that sentence is written into past, that too in continuous way, if the noun is singular, then was must be taken, and was is none other than, it is the example of, it is, was is none other than, it is one of the forms of be. So I, past continuous, I was coming. Try to understand, my dears, what the example that I have taken here. I came, this is the example of simple past. I was coming, this is the example of past continuous. Past must be there and continuous must be there. Past भी रहना है और continuous भी रहना है. कैसे? ये was क्या suggest कर रहा है? Was is going to suggest that the sentence is written into past tense. And just verb has taken ing, it shows that this is in continuous. And I is a pronoun, or I is one of the subjects or nouns. So simple past, I came, मैं आया. Past continuous, I was coming, मैं आ रहा था. I was coming. The action of coming was going on in past. That therefore it is I was coming. Now past perfect. In past perfect, what you have to do? I, and we have to take had, and as I have suggested, V1 came, V1 come, V2 came, V3 come. Again in the same way, I had come, not I had came. I had came, this is wrong English. I mean, I had came, this is the example of total wrong. I had come, this is the example of past perfect tense. As I told you already, what I have told you, my dears, there are such type of the verbs which are not going to take ed. जैसे कि cut है, put है, set है, ये कभी भी ed टैग नहीं कर लेते. Understand? तो ठीक उसी तरह make converts into made, not maked. So in the same way, I came, this is the example of simple past, मैं आया. I was coming, this is the example of past continuous, मैं आ रहा था. I had come, this is the example of past perfect, मैं आया था. And past perfect continuous, the example of past perfect continuous is I had been coming. I had been coming. This is the example of past perfect continuous. जैसे कि मैं आपको बताया, जब भी कब पास्ट टेंस में बात करते हैं, whenever you used to talk in past tense, and especially four forms of past tense, either it is simple past or past continuous or past perfect or past perfect continuous, at that time in which style we have to speak, that is very important. Generally, even celebrities also, they commit mistakes whenever they used to talk in English, because they have an ego of speaking in English. They just in multiply way they used to speak. How do they speak? Only they know. Understand? So therefore be careful. First of all, we have to study of the grammar, and later on we must ready to speak in English. And remember, my dears, people should not laugh at you. And if you feel that people should not laugh at you, so please, there are so many waves are there, so please go through. And in that waves, one of the waves is there, that is the knowledge park. You have to please go through, and surely you will get varieties of the knowledge regarding not only the tense, but one after another I am going to make such type of the very attractive videos regarding the English language, and also how to be spoken into English language. So today we have discussed regarding the past tense and the and the past tense and their forms, that is simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. In next video we will discuss regarding the past tense only, but how to be used the plural nouns, and before that what the changes are supposed to be required or what the changes are going to do, we will discuss in detail in the next video. Till then, goodbye.